Oops, I think you got me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling, but everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. Little let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. Little let me. Oops, I think you got me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. I'm falling, but everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know.
Hello guys, so basically this is a college move-in vlog, and I'm not the one moving into college, sadly, but my brother he's gonna be a freshman. We got Tay in the back. He's gonna be a freshman at University of Lafayette, Louisiana. And yeah, so currently we're just waiting on a lot of our family to come so we can just all move in together. And then we're gonna move in his things, then we're gonna go out to eat, and then we're gonna go to the mall, and then we probably come back to his thing and leave. But I gotta go back home because I gotta get my nails done, because we have school in a couple days. So, but this video will just be strictly college move-in vlog. See y'all later.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit more.
And we got 3 more days till Friday.
If I go to jail tonight, promise you'll pay my bill.
Aiming at me, I become Leo when they aiming at me. Me against them.
When you cursed his name, you called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I think we got this. Put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want.
I know I wasn't the only one you mess with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. Remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing.
I had to scream. This smell like camp. Huh, Dalen? Yeah. It does. Oh, you want to take the elevator every day?
I'll give you a wake-up call. Wake up call. When I get up for work, I'm gonna call you. Get up. All right.
What time you go to work?
6:30. No. You better work.
Get ready, man. Yeah, I'll be soon, man.
Don't smack my ear.
I'm not smacking in your ear.
Well.
Okay, here we go.
Oh. Okay, apartment.
Is Trey moved in already?
No.
Oh, so they already have already. Like,
in here, you're screaming.
somebody else in here?
Is that y'all sweet thing that you say you share?
Huh?
Y'all share that?
Y'all share. What y'all share? Let me see. That's hard.
The bathroom.
Yeah, but that's in a room like here.
Oh.
Oh no. What you got?
I cut the fan only.
Oh.
Oh my.
Okay, y'all.
I'm sharing.
I made a lot of man, okay. See, that's what we did. Straight in. Eventually. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Your thumb having it would have been really bad. I saved your life. The first day.
Well, guess what? It would have failed all of them.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high.
Is that you with that smell?
What smell?
That
What
smell.
smell? Did you smell?
Earlier,
When? Earlier.
when we picked you up.
Oh, you smelled it then? Oh my goodness. Out my car?
No, in Damon's car I smelled
But it
it.
came through my car to your
Yeah.
car? Why are you filming me saying this? What is wrong with you?
It's
Who was this? Take it back.
Say hey to the vlog. He's also gonna be at UL. Trey also is.
got shoes on, Daddy. Not a notebook gonna touch that.
No, I already got pajamas on.
He said he could be pajama boy.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I had woke up at like 6.
And don't got no clothes on.
Yes, you is. Yes, you is.
Darkest, you know you going.
I'm making you go.
Darkest, you never want to go. You're in college now. Halloween weekend.
Nah, I didn't have this. I just Bro, you think I went and bought this just now?
I mean, yeah. I mean, the tags right there. Literally.
I don't know. Ooh.
Ooh, this smells so good, huh? Campus life. Whatever food that is. Oh, he got tattoos over there. So we're walking to the car because we're gonna go out to eat. And yep. Oh, the donut. Tastes like that limo.
It's a Bellini.
Bellini.
Oh, that limo?
No, it don't.
Here's another one that's going to UL.
Oh, mama won. No, you didn't.
You heard mine.
Last place.
It's not last place.
Y'all, we have a 15-minute walk. And we carrying stuff. Oh no. Oh no. Really, really sad. Like, I'm super sad right now. Taylor,
I'm trying not to cry. I don't want to cry. I don't want to be sad.
just keep thinking about it.